Boom. I haven't dropped in a while, bro. As y'all can see, the type beat, red loaded. Uh, by the way, these type beats, bro. I don't release music like this, but I think I'm gonna start doing it on a different account or some shit like that. But I don't drop music like this. But we doing an NBA YoungBoy type song. I won't sound like him. Also, newsflash, bro. I'ma sound like I'ma sound like myself, bro. I I haven't dropped in a while, so I'm excited though. Mm-hmm. Y'all know. Put a main vocals at 2.0, then 6. Yeah, like that. Just like that, bro. Alright. So we're gonna duplicate because we be punching in this channel. We don't do shit like, I don't know. Some niggas, you get me. I like using this specifically for this type beats, this ad-lib preset. So yeah, we're gonna start with this part first. And by the way, I don't like hearing myself, cause I wanna hear how like I distance my mic and all that, so I can sound the same, not different shit like that. If you, so yeah.
Hey, Tifo, you going crazy. Hey, Tifo, you going crazy. Hey, Tifo, you going crazy.
Mind you, this might not be as accurate, but like I haven't recorded in a while, bro. Yeah.
Hey, Tifo, you going crazy. You going crazy. Hey, Tifo, you going crazy.
Take it back, but then I had to fall.
Hey, Tifo, you going crazy.
I had to take it back, but then I had to fall.
Crazy.
I had to take it back, but then I had to fall. take it back, but then I had to fall. Like a nigga had to wait for my downfall. I had to take it back, but then I had to fall. Back, but then I had to fall. Like a nigga had to wait for my downfall. I had to take it back, but then I had to fall. Take it back, but then I had to fall. Fucking nigga had to wait on my downfall. I had to take it back, but then I had to fall. Take it back, but then I had to fall. I had to take it back, but then I had to fall. Fucking nigga had to wait on my downfall. Take it back, but then I had to fall. Fucking nigga had to wait on my downfall. Fucking nigga had to wait on my downfall. Had to wait. On my downfall. Had to wait on my downfall. Fucking nigga had to wait on my downfall. Wanna chop me out of fucking playing those goals. Fucking nigga had to wait on my downfall. On my downfall. Fucking nigga had to wait on my downfall. Wanna chop me out of fucking playing those goals. I had to take it back, but then I had to fall. Fucking nigga had to wait on my downfall. Wanna chop me out of fucking playing those goals. Out of fucking playing those goals. Playing those goals. On my downfall. Wanna chop me out of fucking playing those goals. Playing those goals. Taste like the oils. Nose goes, playing nose goes. Wanna taste like the oils. Wanna taste like the oils. Wanna taste like the oils. Taste like the oils. So, as y'all can hear, I'm not like I don't know if I can sound like my bitches come. Like I'm not that raw. Rage man. But like I like to harmonize, especially for the hooks. So yeah, we're gonna take a listen to it.
Hey, 10-4, you go crazy.
I had to take it back, but then I had to fall. Fucking nigga had to wait on my downfall. Wanna chop me out of fucking playing those goals. Wanna taste like the oils. house, I'ma put it up, put it up. I wanna taste out the house. Taste out the house. Taste out the house. Play with the niggas, cuz and you gon' fall. Taste, wanna taste out the house. Play with the niggas, cuz and you gon' fall. Taste out the house. Wanna taste out the house. Play with the niggas, cuz and you gon' fall. Put it up. So, this is why I might say I'ma switch it up. I know it's been like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, bro. But like, I just wanna switch it up. I don't wanna make the video too long, cause y'all are here for pieces, bro. If you I don't fucking play now, cause I'ma put it up, put it up. I wanna taste out the house. Put it up, I wanna taste out the house. Put it up, I wanna taste out the house. Taste out the house. Wanna taste out the house. Taste out the house. Taste out the house. I'ma pull up in the cities and you know you gon' get beat down. Taste out the house. I'ma pull up in the I'ma pull up in the cities and you know you gon' get beat down. Cities and you know you gon' get beat down. Pull up in the cities and you know you gon' get beat down. Fucking nigga won't let go and you know he gon' get beat down. Taste out the house. I'ma pull up in the cities and you know you gon' get beat down. You know you gon' get beat down. Fucking nigga won't let go and they know he gon' get beat down. Taste out the house. I'ma pull up in the cities and you know you gon' get beat down. You gon' get beat down. And that nigga won't let go, cause you know you gon' get beat down. I'ma put it up, put it up, put it up. Wanna taste out the house. I'ma pull up in the cities and you know you gon' get beat down. And that nigga won't let go, cause you know you gon' get beat down. You know you gon' get beat down. And that nigga won't let go, cause you know you gon' get beat down. In the cities and you know you gon' get beat down. And that nigga won't let go, cause you know you gon' get beat down. You know you gon' get beat down. And that nigga won't let go, cause you know you gon' get beat down. Yo, nigga, I'ma end it right here, bro. So like, you don't know the basics, cutting and all that, bro. Like, I ain't gonna do nothing. If you want to see how we cut things, bro, edit a song, y'all can find it in the link, bro. The fucking link. Okay. I'm joking. Yeah, the preset in the link. The lib also in the link. But I'ma fucking see you when I drop a game, bruh. This is the song. Yeah, I'm out, nigga.
Hey, 10-4, you going crazy.
I had to take it back, but then I had to fall. Fuck a nigga had to wait on my downfall. Wanna chop me out, I don't fucking play no. Cause I'ma put it up, I wanna touch something. I'ma pull up in the cities and you know you gon' get beat. And a nigga won't let go, cause you know you